I'm Johannes Kalhofer from Austria. My role at Siemens is the partner sales management globally for Vericut. Today is the day at the EMO booth. We as Siemens start the collaboration with Vericut with our brand new Vericut and Siemens bundle for the digital Sinomeric One. The advantage is, of course, you can simulate like you are used to with our Run and Create My Virtual Machine. So the virtual NC controller of Sinomeric One, now it's completely synchronized and embedded in Vericut. So it goes fluently and like you are used to, and with no separate data setup needed. Vericut is a very strong player in CNC simulations, and I was looking for a global player. Additionally, we have our open interface, so we are open as Siemens to other systems. Our customers are asking for it. That's why we developed this over the last year, and yeah, I'm very excited and looking forward to the partnership. The integration Siemens in Vericut is very easy. It's like one button. You go into the Vericut simulation system, click one button, all your tools, all your setup you're used to are then synchronized in the Run My Virtual Machine. We do the simulation in the real controller, and then the data comes back and you see it on the screen like Siemens would never be there, like you are used to do it in Vericut. Vericut has an amazing team, especially Sheen, Daniel and Philip. You know, Philip, we did the kickoff, the idea about the partnership in Austria, and this was very exciting for me as an Austrian. So we had a really open talk, how to do the partnership, how to onboard the 11 offices, the global setup with Vericut, and of course our internal complexity, so that of course the customer is in focus and it's easy for them. Yeah.
My name is Philip Block. I'm working as a strategic partner manager for Vericut since almost 20 years, and I'm really happy to kick off the relationship or partnership between Siemens Run My Virtual Machine and Vericut here at EMO 25. Now we are bringing the best of both worlds together here. I mean, we can really do something that helps the Siemens customer, the Vericut customers, and I think this makes a difference. So for the Vericut customer, that means working in the environment they are used to. They can set up everything in Vericut, so it's very easy and convenient from them. But then there's also the flexibility in this. So you can easily switch between Run My Virtual Machine and Vericut with a single mouse click in every single project. And I think this is great for both customers. I personally think it will really help our common customers, and I'm really happy that Johannes and I got this started a few years ago, and now it's finally kicked off, because especially for machine tool builders, this is really helpful. I mean, it helps them to set up their project, it helps them to be faster, it helps them to have a real twin of their machine in their environment they used to work in. So with the help of Siemens Run My Virtual Machine and Vericut, now for example, it's easy to have all the encrypted cycles. You can just read them into Vericut, you don't have to reprogram, and it's a very smooth process to get those cycles run into Vericut. I think it's just a very powerful combination to work with Run My Virtual Machine and Vericut, since it brings really both worlds together and you get the best of both worlds.